Here I have ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings. Then select Import SIM card, because today we're gonna import contacts from SIM card to our device. Here you can select which contacts you want to import and then just tap Confirm. And now you will have these contacts on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.